para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na.
Under 21 action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa Banana Court, Baron Mercado, covering the action. Pampanga taking on Region 2. These are from Tugigarawa. They are the players wearing white. Fabs, of course, wearing their dark jerseys. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, one of the known teams in that Pampanga area. Yang Ultimate tsaka yung Fabs. And that pass, that layup, napatayo si Derek Shadi Bohol doon sa performance na yon as a steal is made. Once again, off the gates, running. That time, ako naman napareact. What a start by Pampanga. Talagang nambubulaga ang Fabs, and we all know how fabulous of a program itong Fabs basketball. Covered this team in the Pocket League under 13. A lot of players that come into mind when you hear, when you watch itong Fabs Pampanga. Special shout out Sir John Fabico, the owner of Fabs Pampanga. Alam ko nakatutok yan si Sir John dito sa contest na to from Pampanga. This is their 21 and under team. Si Kurt Campos nanonood dito sa laban ng Pampanga at Region 2. A special shoutout sa iyo, Kurt. A 3 bitin yung finish na yon. Still couldn't get their first two. Isa pa. Getting that second opportunity to go. Putting the first 2 points on the board. Fabs Pampanga as Bautista knocks down that three. Frix Bautista hits that three, and it is an offensive foul called on Tuguegarao Hoopers. Yung kanilang mga kababayan sa Pampanga under 16 naman, yung ultimate team nandito nanunood, supporting their teams here, their teammates, kaibigan, as that layup goes in for Raymark Pagaduan para dito sa Tuguegarao. Bernante, they will send it here on the shot. Sends it out. One dribble, pull up, three. That is off the mark para ay Bautista. Looking to make it at least 2 in a row. On the move is Javier. Passes it to his big through contact. How do you stop that attack by Jason Natividad? Just too big and too strong on that last play. Ten to 6 is our score. Looking to add more points here. Pampanga off to a good start. Nice pass. Medyo bitin yung una, pati yung pangalawa, pero merong tulak on that last play. Tatawagan itong si Henry Javier. A push for that rebound. We'll have a chance to set it up. Bautista will set up the play with 5:14 to go. Ramirez almost sending it out. One hand floater, di papasok. It's an opportunity for them to score here. Javier dropping a defender down. Here he is, Javier. Sends it. Nice behind the back pass. Looking to absorb contact. No avail. On the run. Bernarte. What a pass. Ivan. Di nga lang na-score on the other side. Banggaan ng mga kuya sa ating Battle of Champions. The best of Region 2 from Tuguegarao. And of course, dyan sa Central Luzon area, Pampanga. Macmagay at the line. Misfires on the first. Ten to 7 is the score. Set shot is good for the last play. Nahulog para dito kay Jamfer Cunanan. That left side open jumper. Usually yun yung mga na-open para dun sa mid-range attacks. When you're going inside and then drive and dish, dun lagi sa pwesto na yun merong na-available. 7 to 12 is the score. This time elbow jumper didn't fall. Nice defense by Fabs Pampanga on that move. Javier feels like walking in midair. 12 to 9, 3-point lead para sa Fabs. There you go, same spot, different result para dito kay Dane Siazon. Looking to score like his teammate earlier. They swing it on the corner. This time on the drive, erase that time. Naabangan yung atake. On the break, finish from defense to offense. This Fabs Pampanga squad showing up with 2:40 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Nice steal. That was anticipated. A 4-on-1 break. Nice finish on that one. Simon Guerrero running on the left, shooting, scoring. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan.
As we return to the action here, only a 5-point lead, 14 to 9 ang ating tamang score. Don't mind the scoreboard, as Javier will not score but will be fouled on that attempt. I believe it was Cunanan na matatawagan ng foul. And speaking of Cunanan, sabi ni Sir RJ Cunanan, shoutout daw po, watching from Pampanga. Gan yung mga kababayan natin sa Pampanga, special greeting sa inyo. Special shoutout din, of course, sa mga nanunood, supporting Tuguegarao Hoopers naman. A battle between two Luzon powerhouses, Pampanga and Tuguegarao. Simon Guerrero finds a teammate. Siazon for three. Kaboom! Another three-pointer drops. This time it's Siazon making that three-point attempt. Di papasok yung bomba sa ilalim. Javier lost control on the run. Free lane. Now Pampanga starting to run away with this one. 8-point lead na po ang kalamangan. 19-11. Another run. This time on the left. Mawawala on the 3-on-2 break. Tatawagan ng foul. Medyo frustrated that the ball was lost on that play. Give effort to Troy Narag. Siya ang pumigil ng fast break play na yon. Xavier will be inbounding this play. Final 38 seconds to go. Narag for three. Javier and one. Hindi papasok yung three-pointer ni Narag. Pero yung end one ni Javier, yun ang papasok. Nice rebound on the other side. 13-19 ang ating score. Another three. Umapak lang sa baseline or sa sideline, I should say. (19-13). 6-point lead. 10 seconds to go. Narag finds a teammate. 3. Hits all board. Narag this time lumapit. Still won't work. Hindi pa rin makakuha ng basket. After a lot of tries, a lot of opportunities, it is Fabs Pampanga up here 19-13. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subo.
Start of the second quarter. As Javier mintis yung kanyang unang attempt. Referee signaling a double foul. (19-13). Again, a solid start for Pabs. Back shot is open. And always nice to see players hitting that bank shot. Let's see if Tuguegarao can respond. Bitin yung layup attempt. Will make one more run in this one. Masyadong malakas. Still a 21-13 second quarter. Javier again. Bago pa merong play na mangyari, yung pasa ni Javier, merong foul na itinawag. (21-13). Javier once again. Narag sends it on the wing. That is off the mark. Isa pa, didiskarte finally. Ball going in. Sabi ni Danes Aduro. Shoutout daw sa Tugigaraw Hoopers watching from Dubai. Kenji Kilang, shoutout daw from Lalinaw area. So just continue to watch. Tignan natin ang mga magaganap as that rejection was clear for Raymark Pagaduan, erasing that attempt ni Arvin Manaloto. (21-15). Open shot. Mintis on that 19-foot line. Narag once again brings the ball on the right side this time. Looks to create contact. Door was shut. Balik dito sa labas. Same spot with 10 seconds to go. Referees call a foul bago pa makadiskarte ng galaw itong si Macmagay. A steal on the other side. Going for the run. Yuri. Sayang naman. But buti na lang. Teammate is there. Ready for the trailer. Put back. Will go in. Ramirez able to stick through that play, and on the last one was able to make a defensive stop. Kalubakib sends it in the corner. Rebound by Ramirez. Look how high he went to get that rebound. 5 minutes 45 remaining here. 23-15. Didiskarte once again. Sends it out. One fake. Loves to move on that left side. Makakakuha ng rebound Pagaduan. But one player is down. Offensive foul. 8-point lead pa rin. 23-19. Timeout called here, brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to,
We continue the action. Sabi ni Jake Aquino, shoutout daw sa amo niya, Chris Con Narag. Sabi ni Francis, sa Longsongan, shoutout daw San Matias. So, daming nanonood. Basta in this Pampanga area, Tugigaraw area, basketball hungry place. At alam naman natin the history sa Pampanga. Dami nating na-produce na talent dyan that served in the national team at syempre naglalaro sa Pro Leagues. 4 minutes 50 remaining. 25-15. One dribble. Bago maubos ang shot clock, nakakuha pa ng foul. Rainiel Liban will be at the line. Misses on the second. Still a 10-point lead. Pampanga looking to increase this lead even more. Para sa Tugigaraw, they are looking to prevent that from happening. That's one way to do it. Rainiel fakes. Meron pa ring foul na itatawag. Yes, that was a risky play that sabihin na natin paid off para dito kay Rainiel, as at the line, Liban once again mintis yung kanyang unang dalawang free throw. Pangatlo, ganun pa rin. Another break. Ramirez. Nilinis lang yung rim. Di nga lang nakapasok. But a foul is called. Ramirez nakakuha ng follow-up kanina. Ngayon at the free throw area, pinatanggal lang ating official yung headband. Baka makasakit pa kasi. But at the line, mas lalo sanang makakasakit kung nagawa nila yung mga free throws na yan. (26-16). 26-16. Double foul once again. Nakadalawang tawag na ang ating referees ng double foul in this contest. Again, ginagawa lamang yan ng ating mga referees to control the action para hindi na lumala pa ang mga dapat pang lumala dito. (26-17). 9-point lead pa rin with 3 minutes remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Javier waits for that fake. That is a good flyby move. Di nga lang pumasok. Could have taken advantage of that one. Goes for that attack, fakes, shoots. That time hindi na nahanap yung glass, but we'll have another opportunity again on that baseline, wanting to go on the right side. Nababantayan lang. Still couldn't go. Another free throw attempt. This time 2 minutes 14. will be at the line. JLD, John Lloyd David, is at the line. Missing on the first one. Couldn't increase the output here. .205 remaining. 27-17. Lamang pa rin ng 10 ang Fabs.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.
Off that timeout, a steal, a run-in, a basket. Papasok once again para dito sa Fabs, just controlling here. Siazon has hit a 3 earlier. Went for that steal, that basket. And on the other side, it's all itong si Javier for Tugigaraw. (29-19). Bautista has hit 1-3, will add another. Rix Bautista with a 3. Again, Javier doing a lot of heavy lifting dito sa Tugigaraw. Kailangan niya ng tulong. Meanwhile for Pampanga, a lot of players scoring for them. Bautista, you have Siazon getting in on that free throw. Again, kanina naka-score din Simon Guerrero for this squad ng Fabs Pampanga. Meanwhile, Javier has made both free throws. .65 seconds remaining, 1 minute 05. Timeout tayo, malapit na tayo mag-halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
(32-21). Siazon again. 3 is a miss. A chance to cut this lead here to single digit. Javier once again. A broken play converted by Tuguegarao Hoopers. Siazon made that steal in a basket and they will make the stop. Javier calls his own number. 7-point lead na lang. Tuguegarao inching closer, kumakatok na dito sa ating laro with 8 seconds to go. 32-25, a 3 that is off the mark, and we will enter our halftime. 32-25, lamang pa rin ang Fabs Pampanga. We will be right back after this break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior, MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng
32-25 after halftime dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions Region 2 and Pampanga. 5-point lead, Baron Mercado, first 2 points mapupunta dito sa Tuguegarao. Bernarte will look for a teammate. Siazon nakadalawang 3-pointers kanina as that high looper by Bernarte. Meron daw foul, sabi ng ating officials, so he will be at the line. He will shoot his free throws in. Basket is in of that putback. (35-27), 8-point lead for Fabs Pampanga. Spin cycle, scoring of that wonderful turn, Ian Taguba, waking everyone up here supporting Tuguegarao. There you go sa mga tulong na hinahanap natin from Javier at makakakuha ng turnover. Ian Tacuba scored the last one, adding more points. Andre Cobalies, 4 na lang. Pampanga only scoring what? 2 points in this quarter. Nice block by Javier. Met at the apex and finally getting that rebound to go. That was a JC Borzalida, I should say, getting that basket. But the momentum clearly now on the side of Region 2. 7 minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Missing on that jumper, erased by Javier. Kahit siya napareact dun sa sarili ng block, Javier looking to finish the play, and one! Goes for that block. Went coast to coast, getting that end one. Lead is cut to 1. Chance of defense on the side of Region 2. Will not get that point. On the run for the lead. Andre Cobalies gives them the lead for the first time. They have been trailing for so long, but silencer on that last basket by Fabs Pampanga. 39-38. Swings it in the corner, masyadong mataas. Sayang for Tuguegarao. A couple of momentum building plays. Baka mawala lang in just a couple of baskets from Pampanga. They need to make a stop to regain that. Straight away. Off the mark, offensive rebound. JLD with that basket. John Lloyd David completing that putback. 41-38. Almost a turnover. Javier, this time tatawagan ng offensive foul. Chester Norag will be called for that offensive. Chat section. Yung mga fans ng Region 2 nabubuhayan na. Sayang lang. Just couldn't get that Steal completed. (41-38). Swing. Masibak on the drive. Kicks it out. Traveling call. 3 minutes 50 remaining. On the drive once again, straight. That is off the mark, looking to regain this one. Ramirez has re-entered the ball game. Throws it high up. Nice recovery. Emergency pass. Broken play is fixed. That is how you regain your groove. Pampanga, balik ang kalamangan. 43-38.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa.
(33-48). Javier once again. Now he's starting to get his groove back. Defense, offense. Masibak and company looking to put a stop on this one. Especially nanunood si Sir John Fabico. 3 on the way. David knocks it down. Sabi ni JLD, John Lloyd David, Sir John Fabico, that 3 is for you. Watching sa ating live stream. Javier to answer back. Here we go with a back and forth. Pass was high. Shot, Javier. That is off the mark. Put back is good. JC Borzalida, another follow-up. 8-second call on the side of Region 2. Again, need to hurry. Masibak once again. Gives it in the middle. Ramirez was turned away. Isa pa, di papasok. JC, balik kay Masibak. And Borzalida wasn't able to make the right play in time as we are in the last minute and 20. Currently a shootout between Pampanga and Region 2. (48-45). Nakabawi ang Region 2. Borzalida again in the middle. Siazon 3 off to the right. Balik ang bola sa Region 2 at ayan na nga na comment na si Sir John Fabico, of course the owner of Fabs Basketball. Laging nakasuporta yan dito sa Junior MPBL. Sayang yun. Just couldn't get that one. Itong si Mac Magay couldn't complete that play. Final 30 seconds to go. Fabs Pampanga looking to close the third quarter strong. Siazon had that look. Finds a better shot. David couldn't hit. Ramirez jumping out of the gym. Di lang papasok. Right side. Attack. Bumping. Traveling call. Good defense by JLD. Nine seconds remaining. As a foul is called, meron pang isang team foul. Itong Region 2. Andre Cobales will be called for that foul. 6.8 seconds remaining. We have a player movement on the side of Fabs Pampanga. 6.8 remaining. Tignan natin how will Fabs finish this third quarter. They have been amazing going back and forth with Region 2. Here's Simon Guerrero. Sends it. David again. Couldn't find the basket. But will be up by 3. Itong Fabs Pampanga after losing the lead to Region 2 Tuguegarao. Tignan natin if we will be down the wire once again at the end of the third quarter. Fourth quarter coming up.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok.
To 45. Fourth quarter. Simon Guerrero. Masyadong malakas yung kanyang 3-pointer to start the fourth. Again, that was a back and forth we go. Javier caught fire on that third quarter. John Lloyd David as well. Making the right place. Javier for the tie. Ball is loose. It is recovered by the guys wearing white. Mac Magay gives it inside. Masyadong malakas para kay Cobales. Now making the play here. Bautista hasn't hit a shot yet dito sa ating second half of action. To 45. Nice give and go play. Sayang. Nawala lang kay Bautista yung pasa na yon. Javier didiskarte on this side. Swings it on this jumper. To 47. Guerrero once again. Siazon, masyadong malayo ang pasa. Cobales all alone, waits for the defense to commit. Goes for that fake and scores. Region 2 once again has a 1-point lead. On the run, Cobalies hands it off, 3-point lead. Exchanging that one, Cobalies and Taguba, 51-48. Didiskarte once again Guerrero on the right, finishing that one. Just couldn't hit itong si Siazon. 51-48. Cobalies once again. Ian, floater, bitin. Ramirez always having a hand on that rebound. Couldn't hit that three, was Bautista. Siazon sends it. Bautista extra pass. Too much passing. Traveling call. (51-48). Jumper by Javier. That won't work. Still on the run, Pampanga. Ooh, all the way. Open on that drive from the middle. 51-50. 6 minutes, 5 remaining. Goes through that bump. Referees will call a travel. Largest lead for Tuguegarao, at least, no? At least 3-5 in this contest. (51-50). Mamaya may laro pa tong Tuguegarao to close out our game day number 3. Bitin yung reverse attempt na yon. And if you're Tuguegarao, want to make it 1-0 in this game, Javier is really into this contest. Henrik Javier, not sure of highlights. Bautista stepping, shooting, and making. Frix Bautista knocking down that jumper. Getting that steal on the other side. Balik ang bola sa Pampanga. (53-52), Bautista. Referees will call a push bago pa makalayo ang opensiba ng Pampanga. Final 4 minutes 13 remaining. So I believe there was a unsportsmanlike technical foul was called there. Kaya si Bautista is at the line. Couldn't tie the game at 53. (4 minutes 10). Goals for this attack. Ramirez. Skies high. Balik ang lamang sa Fabs. Let's see how will Henrik Javier respond. Nice pass to break out. Goes on the left side. Hands it over a corner three. Bautista just outboxing the big. At merong foul na itatawag, only their second team foul para dito sa Tugigaraw. (54 to 53). Bautista once again has made that big shot. Nice find by Bautista. JC Borzalida getting that basket to go. On the run. Masyadong malakas. Follow-up is in. Matt Magay cuts the lead to 1. Seesaw battle we're having. 56-55. Masibak, balik kay Bautista. Steps in for a 3. Goal! (59-55). 4-point lead. One bump. Won't fall. Javier will lose the possession but recovers quick. To answer. A block. Balik ang bola dito sa Region 2. Timeout is called. 55-59. Fabs pa rin ang lamang.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah, kabayad.
55-59. Two minutes, 5 remaining. Nearing the last 2 minutes, Javier. Bang! Basket goes in. A big 3 by Javier. As we are in the last 2 minutes, Bernarte. Fabs Pampanga, here's Bautista. Couldn't get that clean look. Solid rebound by Raymark. Need to be careful. Henrich finds a friend. Missing on the gimme. Andre Cobalies was right there. He was right there. That's a basket that Cobalies will think of in the last remaining minutes. Remaining 1 minute 29. Babalikan at babalikan ni Cobalies yun. Big shot for Pampanga. Can solidify the lead. Borzalida. They swing it. Ramirez. Bautista. Last second pass. Turned away. On the run. Nice recovery by Bernarte. Final 63 seconds. Another counter steal. Who will end this run? Javier will lose the possession. That was helter-skelter. Turnover after turnover. Stop after stop. 4 team fouls for Tugigaraw. Pampanga, wala pang team foul. Again, a shot here can solidify the lead. Bernarte will look for a friend. Borzalida, too strong on that jumper. And that foul is called. Free throw time. Bernarte. Siya naman ngayon looking for a big free throw. Missed on number 1. Rattles home number 2. Huwag mag-aalala. If you are Tuguegarao only down by 2, you have the possession. They will talk things through. Let's see what will happen.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
2-point lead. We all know kanino pupunta tong bola na to. Javier will not lose the possession. Referees will call a foul. Unang team foul pa lang. 25.7 seconds remaining. (60-58). Taguba, balik kay Javier. He has hit that big 3. Bigay kay Taguba, give and go. Big free throws for Raymart Pagaduan. Are we seeing our first overtime game in 2 days? Raymark Pagaduan at the line. Misses. Javier with the rebound. Ball will be going, I believe, on the way of a region, or I should say the call is a jump ball, pero may timeout tayo dito. Still gonna look whose ball it is, but I believe it will be on region 2.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, pagbabago pag-asa ikaw
60-59. 14 seconds remaining and a turnover. A turnover on that inbound play. For me, as I watch the action here, naintindihan ko yung gustong gawin doon ng Tuguegarao, wanting a knockout play on the inbound. Pero alam ng Pampanga yung gagawin. Yazon at the line. Misses on the first. They are still in this game. Talking about Region 2. 10.8 seconds to go. One out of two. Can we see a tie? And that is one of their 3 team fouls left. So pwede pa sila magbigay ng isang foul to read and see what will happen here. 9.2 seconds to go. 2-point lead, 69-51. Javier has the ball. Referees will call a foul. 5 seconds to go. Are we going to see an overtime? We had one on day 1. Leaking out. Javier double teamed. Lost the ball. Double teaming Pampanga. Putting a stop on that offensive. A tough break para dito sa kampo ng Tuguegarao. 2.1 to go. Bola ng Fabs. Dapat di siya tumanggap. Dapat hindi siya tumanggap. Dapat di siya. Dapat tanggap tas hand off. Okay. 2.1 seconds to go. Bola ng Fabs Pampanga. After that stop on Javier. That's just good recognition by Fabs. Alam nilang kay Javier pupunta yung bola. They just went in for the double team. And then abang-abang na lang sa pasa. And on that last play, it is a turnover. They just need to throw this one and melt the clock. They will do just that. 0.7 seconds remaining. If you want to be safe, you can make both free throws. That's the safest option. Second one, make one, mintis mo yung dulo, and let the clock run out. That's option number 1. Make one. Will they do option number 2 to miss this one Dahil wala ng timeout, itong Tugigaraw. They opt to make both free throws, of course, for safety. And we have our game of the day, Pampanga, running away with this one in a close contest, 63-59. For me, Pampanga's defense prevails in this one. That defensive stop gave them that victory. We will be right back after more action. Congratulations sa Pampanga.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.